We are gathered here today to celebrate the wedding of James and Sarah, to offer our love and support to their union, and to allow Sarah and James to celebrate their married life together, surrounded by the people they love most.
This day is finally here. It took several decades and several fated meetings in multiple states and continents for us to finally be together, and the journey was more than worth it.
Since the first time I've met you, you've always been a ball of energy. Your charisma would light up entire buildings, and that's what made you so attractive.
所以说，女儿是爸爸妈妈的小棉袄。今天我要感谢亲家，您把宝贝的小棉袄与我们家共同分享。
We have grown a lot together since those early years, and I have become a better person in many ways because of you. You are truly more than a husband, but also my best friend, family, and partner in life.
I've self-reflected once or twice to see what life would have been had we not dated, and I come to the same conclusion every time. The me without you would have never made it to upper management or started several businesses. The me without you would have never tried a Michelin restaurant. Without you, I would have never traveled to 20 other countries to explore the world.
Is this the little girl I carry?
And without you, I would have never been as motivated to do so much with my life. Luckily, we did date. And here we are, standing here today.
So James and I go way back. He and I met in 7th grade. I had just immigrated from Taiwan a few years back and desperately wanted to fit in. I surveyed the cafeteria and saw this Chinese boy who was well dressed and wore colored contacts. Out of the whole student body, I managed to find the only other kid who was more out of place and awkward than me.
Many years ago, when I was in junior high, my mom had to go pick up something at her friend Jamie's house, and this is where I met James. I thought he was awesome. I thought he was so awesome that I spent an entire summer at his house playing video games. I also thought that Sarah would really get along with my new friend. And yes, she did.
I remember meeting Sarah for the first time. Her energy and positivity was infectious. She's smart, funny, driven, outgoing, and sociable. Pretty much everything I wanted James to be when we first met.
And I always hope Sarah can find someone loves her as much as I do. And luckily, she found James. by the power vested in me by the state of Texas, it is my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. James, you may kiss your bride.